In this video, we're going to be talking about Litecoin. This is a Litecoin price prediction video. We're going to be covering the current chart as well as some information surrounding Litecoin, and additionally, we'll be talking about the price prediction for 2021, even into 2022 and 2023. How high can this thing go? It is absolutely crazy how volatile Litecoin has been of late, as well as it is testing some new levels, and I think it's just gonna go through the roof. So I apologize, I'm winded. I just ran upstairs. I was chasing one of my dogs because they were barking right before I went on here. So there's the truth behind the story there. Okay, so if you're new to me, you've never seen this video before, never seen me, my name is Austin Hilton. I'm a 30+ year investor getting into crypto. I bring you these types of videos to keep you updated on all your favorite coins, all your favorite tokens. I've done, you name them, I've done them, XRP. This is my first Litecoin one. You name them, just check them out here. They're on my channel, all those videos. I definitely am getting way more into crypto. I currently own Bitcoin, Ethereum, about to buy some Doge, Litecoin, etc. But I'm going to continue these series and bring you these videos. So if that's of interest to you, please subscribe and drop a like on the channel. But definitely subscribe because I'm building a community here, and I'm just here to bring you the info, keep you updated on what's going on. All that kind of stuff. This video is for entertainment purposes only. And with all that said, we're going to get started here in a minute and go take a look at Litecoin. But again, I want to remind you that I'm here for you. My goal is real simple. It's just to bring you these videos to help update you, keep you updated on what's going on, build value with you, and just help you make better choices and better decisions. I've got other stock related videos. I know you're watching a crypto video, but I got other videos where I give you stock tips on momentum trending stocks that are hitting their 52-week highs. You can grab onto those trends. I tell you exactly how to invest in those. So I got some of those videos on here. I throw the occasional penny stock video in, and I cover pretty much all the major stock sectors, EV, other sectors like that, EV stocks, etc. So if any of that is of interest to you, consider subscribing, become part of my community, because that's what it's really about. It's just building a community here that we all can share information, help each other, and just help each other to make more money tomorrow than we have today. All right, so let's go take a look at what's going on with Litecoin. As I said, we're going to look at the chart, and then we're going to look at some price prediction stuff. Here we go. Okay, so you can see that the current chart here, we're trading at the 268.75. A tremendous amount of volatility as of late. We hit our peak on what would that be? April 15th. Sorry, I got my months confused. April 15th of 310, and then she immediately dropped down and just kind of began that downward descent down into around the 24th, where we touched, what did we touch? 223. But then immediately just, again, bounced back within 2 to 4 days up to 268. Again, as I mentioned, a tremendous amount of volatility. We're definitely moving around a lot. We had a nice run up here starting back in March 24th, ran from 173 all the way to that peak of 310, and then we got that kind of that pullback scenario happened there. But again, I like the action here. Any crypto I've always looked at, you're going to be volatile, you're going to have the roller coaster action. That's going to happen, and that's okay. You got to be kind of cool with that as part of the ride. But I definitely think that we are now primed to really re-attack, and just take over that $300 level in that scenario. But if you look here, the purple line right here is your 50-day moving average. And so you can see that we've had a couple of dips below that, but pretty much that seems to be our support level, our support resistance level is that 50-day. Outside of back in early March when we dipped below it, we've touched it almost twice, but that really is our support level. I like that. I like that really, is trending that way, and we're not getting major crashes below that is really what I'm trying to convey to you. And the red line you can see is our 20-day moving average. It's obviously moved up dramatically because of this spike right here, so that dragged the average up. So it looks like we're set to maybe continue to move forward. I tend to pay more attention to the 50-day moving averages and things like that. I don't always apply 200-day moving averages to crypto. Usually that's how I roll is a 50-day and a 20-day. But 50-day, I like that we've established this support level scenario there for the 50-day moving average. Okay, so with that said, so that's the chart. Again, volatility, you guys are following it, you see that. Let's look at the price prediction real quickly. So this is a great piece of content that I wanted to bring for you, and that's, if you're new to me, that's what I do. I go out and I find other content that is out there that really can just hammer home and bring home the information. That's really what I'm doing, is bringing you this information so that you don't have to go out and look for it. You don't have to keep up with it, so you can start to stay, start tuning into me and let me help you just navigate these proverbial waters. Okay, so this was published on, it looks like it was on Friday. Yeah, so that's right. Yeah, Friday, because today's the 1st. There you go. Okay, so we definitely had a huge rally. Litecoin shows a massive spike in buying pressure, pushing it close to pre-crash levels. Let's see. Excuse me. So the barrier extending from 296 to 317 is the only hurdle preventing Litecoin's 65% upswing to a price of $439. Okay, so really here's the point. Okay, the supply barrier has got us kind of locked in at that 296 to 317. Okay. Oh, I apologize. I read that wrong. Is the only hurdle preventing it to 439. Sorry about that. It's early for me. Apologize. So the supply barrier has extended from there to there. That's going to allow us to go there, and then it's going to prevent us to go to 439. There you go. My apologies. So a breakdown of the demand zone's upper trend line is 217, and will invalidate the bullish outlook. So basically, if we break below that, right? Okay, so we've got a resurgence of buyers that have come in. I think that is fundamentally what is going on here, related to kind of some of the volatility. You've got a lot of buyers coming in. Continuation of this bullish momentum could see Litecoin retest a critical barrier. Okay, so Litecoin is priced for an upswing. Let's see, what do we do to slice through a new trend? If the buyers continue to maintain their momentum, Litecoin could surge 12% to retest the immediate supply zone that stretches from 297 to 317. Yeah, sorry about that earlier. Yeah, I've said this before in my videos. I haven't had my coffee yet, so I'm not quite firing on all cylinders yet. But I wanted to get this video out for you guys. So a potential spike in bullish pressure that slices through the upper level of the resistance area will trigger a retest of the local top at 335.69 and a potential swing to the 161% Fibonacci retracement level at 439. All right. Regardless of the bullish momentum, if Litecoin prices slice through the 50% retracement level at 251, it would question the upswing narrative mentioned below. Sustained trading below this area could lead to a bullish exhaustion, pushing the demand zone's upper boundary of 217.97. Basically, we are primed to move up. That's really what I care about. And so these are some numbers, okay? So basically, here's also what I want to show you. So Litecoin, let me make this bigger. There you go. Litecoin pricing prediction. We are off to a strong start in 2021. With the retest now confirmed, Litecoin could push to 600 or more per coin in 2021. By the way, I'm probably going to mention this in all future Litecoin videos. I think this is a very, very good point, because not all of you guys watch all my videos. Okay, and right here, with Litecoin making a correct, this is Litecoin. So real backwards. Sorry, this is 2021, 600 or more per coin. Okay, Litecoin price prediction 2022. So if we make a clear breakout, then building over a base over the last 2 years. This again is written from the standpoint of 2022. An uptrend should follow. There's a chance that after 2021 could come another extended bear cycle before similar price action establishes a bottom once again. But there won't be any risks of downside until Litecoin reaches well above 2,000 per coin. Okay? And if we do get a bear, it could reach levels of 200. Wow, interesting. Okay. So we have the possibility in 2022 of reaching 2,000 per coin per this piece of content. Let's see. What do they say for 2024? When what goes up must come down. After Litecoin sets a new high in 2021 or early 2022 and then completes another bearish trend, it will be the time for the cycle to restart and another base to build. Once the downtrend breaks, as is characteristic of all other markets, another consolidation phase will build another base for subsequent bull market to begin. So it's like we're going to basically have some. We're going to peak in late 2021, 2022 per this content. We're going to get another bearish cycle. We're going to drop for a little bit, build another base, and then move back up. Okay, so the long and the short of it is this: it depends on how you're wanting to buy and hold and trade and all that kind of stuff. This is definitely a possible price prediction of 600 or more per coin by late 2022. Excuse me, late 2021. We could have a run to all the way to 2022. Excuse me, in 2022 we could have a run to 2,000 per coin, per token. Okay, that's a very strong possibility, and that could be a mid to beginning year of 2022 per this content. And is again, right now we're currently trading at in the 269 level. So we've got some support levels, some resistance levels we've got to test. We've got to get kind of through from 296 to 317. Once we kind of get through there, it looks like we can break out and continue to move up from there. All right, so I'm going to wrap up with that. Again, this is my first Litecoin video. I'll be bringing you these videos news related. When news comes out that's pertinent and comes out, I'll be bringing that news so that you'll know what is going on with the tokens, with the coins, as well as these prediction videos. If I can continue to keep and find great new content that keeps us updated along the way, then consider coming back. Apologize, I was out of breath because chasing my dogs up and down the stairs because they were barking, and I need to get my coffee and then I'll be good to go. So I hope you, if you haven't already done so, subscribe, become part of the community. If you could, please drop a like on the video. I would greatly appreciate it. Somebody was driving by. Got a lot going on this morning. And that would help the video to rank and do all that kind of stuff. I'll see you later. Go make some money. Take it easy. Bye.